In today's video, I'll show you how to start using Notion Mail step by step. Welcome back. If you want to manage your email in the same place where you plan and organize your work, this guide will help you get set up quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and go to Notion. So, Mail. Make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any issues during setup. If you plan to use Notion Mail regularly, you may want to bookmark this page for easy access later. Next, log in to your Notion account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken directly to the Notion Mail setup page. If not, enter your login details and continue. Keep this tab open as you follow the setup steps. Once you're on the Notion Mail page, click Get Started with Notion Mail. This will begin the setup process. The interface is simple and guided, so just follow each step carefully. You'll then be asked to choose your email provider, such as Gmail. Select the provider that matches the inbox you want to connect. If you use multiple email accounts, it's best to start with your main one. You can always add more inboxes later. After that, you'll need to allow the required permissions. This is a standard step to securely connect your email account to Notion Mail. Review the permissions and confirm to continue. If you use multi-factor authentication, keep your phone or authentication app nearby to approve the sign-in. Once permissions are approved, Notion Mail will begin syncing your inbox. The first sync may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your mailbox and your internet speed. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while the sync is in progress. When the sync is complete, you can start viewing and managing your emails inside Notion Mail. Your messages will appear in a clean, organized list. Click on any email to read it, use search to find specific messages, and apply filters to focus on what matters most. To keep your workflow organized, archive or mark emails as done when you're finished with them, and star or pin important conversations so you can easily come back to them later. And that's it. You now know how to start using Notion Mail. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.